Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce Computer Applications. In this video, we are going to see about what is a partnership deed and how to we can do the formality for filing the partnership deed. So, a partnership deed is a partnership agreement is a written document among the business partners. It is preferred choice among entrepreneurs due to its many benefits. However, running a partnership business involves planning and risk and disagreements, financial issues, or internal conflicts can be adjusted for your venture. Before investing your savings and efforts, it is wise to sign a partnership deed. A partnership deed is a legal document that safeguards each party's interest. So, interested to learning more about what is partnership deed. So, we'll see and we'll clarify and we'll have a clear and detailed discussion over here. So, the partnership deed is a legal agreement that comes into a play when two or more individuals collaborate to operate a business venture. This document outlines all the essential terms and conditions to a business, including the profit, loss, sharing, responsibility, procedures for admitting new partners, establishment rules, salary structure exist so many. So, this document holds the significant importance as it can be a legally binding in case of any legal disputes involving in the firm. The partnership agreement is registered under the Indian Registration Act of 1908, ensuring that document is secure and cannot be it cannot be terminated, cannot be dissolved with any partners. So, in a partnership agreement, what is important, what is mandatory? So, under the Indian Partnership Act 1932, forming a partnership agreement in India is not mandatory. However, having a written partnership deed is placed highly advisable. So, this written document helps prevent the duplicates or the misunderstanding among the partnership by clearly defining the terms of the partnerships. So, we'll see some of the important key points. Regulations of the rights and responsibilities, and it establishes the clear regulations of the rights, duties, liabilities of each partners within the firm. So it prevents the misunderstandings. The deed helps prevents misunderstanding among the partners by specifying all the terms and conditions of the partnership agreement. Disputes and resolutions. In the event of disputes among the partners, the partnership deed provides a reference point for the resolution, making the processes smooth and legally binding. Profit and loss of the distribution. So it clarifies how profit and losses will be shared among the partners, reducing the potential conflicts. And the role specifications. The role and responsibility of the each individual partners are clearly defined in the partnership agreement. Next is remuneration clauses. So deed may include the clauses specifying the remunerations to be paid to the partners to their services, the eligibility of or benefits for what are the registrations of the partnerships as outlined in the deed makes the firms eligible for the various benefits including obtaining a pan, applying for the bank loans, opening a bank account in the partnership firm, and the securing the registrations such as GST. And so considering these benefits, so partnership agreement is advisable to ensure the smooth and legal sound partners of the partnership firm. So we have different types of partnership deed. So like we have different types of partnership deed is also a different types we have. General partnership, limited partnerships, limited liability partnership deed, and it contains different legal procedures and the for partnership acting as a form. This is all about the partnership deed. Thank you.